Best Pickleball Paddles. Are you looking for the best pickleball paddles? In this video we will look at some of the best pickleball paddles on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Vatic Pro PRISM Flash. PRISM 16mm Pickleball Paddle by Vatic Pro, carbon fiber control and power, lightweight 8 ounces, 5.3-inch grip, 16.3 by 7.7 in, professional performance for all skill levels. Elevate your pickleball game with the PRISM 16mm Pickleball Paddle by Vatic Pro, designed for players who demand precision, durability, and consistent performance on the court. Engineered with advanced carbon fiber construction across the frame and shaft, this paddle delivers exceptional strength without unnecessary weight, making it an ideal choice for both recreational players and competitive athletes. At just 8 ounces, the PRISM 16mm strikes the perfect balance between speed and stability, ensuring effortless maneuverability while still providing the power you need for strong drives. The 16mm core thickness enhances control, helping you place shots with pinpoint accuracy, while the 16.3 x 7.7-inch face creates a generous sweet spot for consistent performance. The 5.3-inch ergonomic grip is designed for comfort and secure handling, reducing fatigue during long matches and allowing you to focus on your technique. Built to suit players of all skill levels, this paddle adapts to fast-paced rallies, soft dinks, and powerful smashes with ease. Whether you're a beginner improving your fundamentals or an advanced player pushing competitive limits, the PRISM 16mm carbon fiber paddle is your reliable partner on the court. Its lightweight design, professional-grade materials, and balanced feel ensure every swing is smooth, controlled, and confident. Upgrade your gear with Vatic Pro's precision-crafted paddle and experience the difference in your next match. Number 2. Bread and Butter Filth. Jula Vision Pickleball Paddle with textured carbon grip surface technology, 16mm polypropylene honeycomb core, lightweight 7.84 ounces, 4 1/4 grip, maximum spin, control and power for all skill levels. Take your pickleball performance to the next level with the Jula Vision Pickleball Paddle, a professional-grade racket designed to deliver a winning blend of spin, control, and power. Trusted by athletes worldwide, Jula brings innovation to the court with its textured carbon grip surface technology, engineered to provide enhanced ball bite for maximum spin and precision shot placement. At just 7.84 ounces, this paddle is lightweight and quick in hand, allowing for faster reactions at the net while still offering the stability you need for powerful drives. The 16mm polypropylene honeycomb core creates a solid, responsive feel that dampens vibrations, giving you unmatched consistency and comfort through every rally. Crafted with a carbon fiber frame and shaft, the Jula Vision is built for durability while maintaining a sleek, performance-driven design. Its 4 1/4-inch grip size ensures a secure, comfortable hold that reduces hand fatigue and supports extended play sessions. The paddle's balanced construction makes it ideal for players of all skill levels, from beginners learning the game to advanced competitors perfecting their touch. Whether you're executing controlled dinks, driving powerful baseline shots, or adding spin to your serves, the Jula Vision Pickleball Paddle adapts to your style and elevates your play. Built with cutting-edge technology and professional craftsmanship, this paddle is your ultimate advantage on the court. Number 3. Gearbox Pro Power. Gearbox G20 Pickleball Paddle, 20mm honeycomb core, raw carbon fiber surface, one-piece molded construction, control, spin and power, lightweight 8.0-ounce paddle for all skill levels. Experience unmatched precision and performance with the Gearbox G20 Pickleball Paddle, engineered for players who demand the perfect blend of control, spin, and power. Designed with a 20mm honeycomb core, this paddle delivers a solid, responsive feel while minimizing vibration for consistent, comfortable play. The raw carbon fiber surface provides superior grip on the ball, generating impressive spin and control to help you dominate every rally. Built using one-piece molded construction, the G20 offers enhanced durability and structural integrity, ensuring long-lasting performance even during intense matches. Weighing just 8.0 ounces, this paddle provides the ideal balance between lightweight maneuverability and dependable stability, giving players confidence in fast exchanges at the net or powerful baseline drives. The paddle's 15.875-inch by 4-inch design creates a generous hitting surface, while the 4-inch grip size offers comfort and secure handling for a wide range of players. Crafted with a carbon fiber frame and fiberglass materials, the Gearbox G20 is built to deliver professional-level performance with every swing. Perfect for intermediate players looking to elevate their skills or competitive athletes seeking reliable, consistent equipment, the Gearbox G20 pickleball paddle adapts seamlessly to any play style. From soft dinks and touch shots to powerful smashes and spin-loaded serves, this paddle empowers you to take control of the game. Upgrade your gear with Gearbox's advanced paddle technology and experience the difference in every match. Number 4. CRBN 3X Power Series. CRBN X Series Power Pickleball Paddle, carbon fiber paddle with foam-injected edges for expanded sweet spot, CRBN 3X 16mm thick, lightweight, 4-inch grip, professional performance for all skill levels. Unleash your power and precision on the court with the CRBN X Series Power Pickleball Paddle, engineered for players who want explosive performance without sacrificing control. The CRBN 3X 16mm design offers a perfect balance of stability, touch, and power, making it a versatile paddle for every shot in the game. Featuring foam-injected edges, this paddle expands the sweet spot, giving you more forgiveness on off-center hits and increasing overall consistency. The carbon fiber shaft ensures exceptional durability and responsiveness, while the lightweight build, just 0.32 kilograms, 11.3 ounces, allows for quicker hand speed and effortless maneuverability during fast-paced rallies. The 4-inch grip size provides a secure, comfortable hold, reducing hand fatigue and helping players maintain control through extended matches. Combined with its professional-grade materials, this paddle is designed to elevate your play whether you're at the baseline driving powerful shots or at the net executing soft dinks and controlled volleys. Perfect for players of all skill levels, the CRBN X Series Power Paddle adapts to your game, giving beginners more confidence and advanced athletes the precision needed to compete at a high level. Its foam-injected technology and carbon fiber performance set it apart as a paddle built for power, spin, and consistency. Step up your game with the CRBN X Series Power Pickleball Paddle and experience unmatched innovation, control, and playability. Number 5. 60 Double Black Diamond Control. Selkirk Sport LUXX Control Pickleball Paddle, Invicta elongated shape, carbon fiber construction, 4 1/4 grip, lightweight 8.1 ounces, professional paddle for spin, power and precision. Play smarter, sharper, and stronger with the Selkirk Sport LUXX Control Pickleball Paddle, engineered for players who demand elite performance on the court. Featuring the Invicta elongated shape, this paddle offers extended reach and improved leverage, giving you the advantage on wide shots and adding power to every swing. Crafted with premium carbon fiber across the frame, shaft, and face, the LUXX delivers lightweight durability and consistent responsiveness. At just 8.1 ounces, it strikes the perfect balance between speed and stability, allowing for quick reactions at the net while still offering the control and power needed for strategic baseline play. The 4 1/4-inch grip size is designed for comfort and security, reducing hand fatigue during long matches and ensuring confident handling with every shot. Whether you're executing soft dinks, spin-loaded serves, or driving powerful smashes, this paddle adapts seamlessly to your style of play. Built for players of all skill levels, the Selkirk LUXX combines advanced materials with professional craftsmanship, helping beginners build consistency and giving competitive athletes the precision required for peak performance. Its elongated face expands the sweet spot, offering forgiveness on off-center hits and maximizing accuracy. Trusted by top athletes and recreational players alike, the Selkirk Sport LUXX Control Pickleball Paddle is more than just equipment, it's your competitive edge. Step onto the court with confidence and elevate your game with Selkirk's most innovative paddle design.